Today we are exploring the latest feature of Tecno HiOS 15 and Android 15 beta update program. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe and also like this video. Let's start today's video. So here is our first feature of HiOS 15 is dynamic port. Dynamic port feature look very awesome. This feature include options like face unlock, call management, recorder, charging animation and tips. Let's talk about our next feature seen in the leak screenshot. So our next feature is the control panel. Control panel looks very great. All the icons of control panel are very well designed, like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, mobile data, brightness adjustment icons look great. So our third feature is customization, in which you can change the color and style as per your choice. There are many colors and icon styles here that you can use. So all the features that I have mentioned and shown in the screenshots in this video have already been leaked on social media like Instagram, Telegram. Let's talk about Android 15 beta program. If your device is eligible for this update, you will see message something like this, and you can enjoy Android 15 beta program in your phone. Okay, let's talk about which device you will get to see the Android 15 update. Tecno has confirmed that their Tecno Camon 30 series will be the first to see the Android 15 update. Apart from this, the name of any other device has not been revealed. If new device list comes out, first of all, you will get the update through video on our channel. So please guys, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Let's meet in another video.